Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can suspend your Tata Sky connection for a while in case if you are going for vacation or in case if you are unable to view TV and you don't want your balance to get consumed during this period, then you can just suspend it or put your account on pause. So to suspend it, just go to the official Tata Play website. So once you reach on this website, you will get such options. You will need to just click on go to my account and log in with your subscriber ID or registered mobile number. So enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number to log in. So once entering the OTP, just click on continue button. So here on this page your Tata Play connection details will get displayed. So here you can see your balance details and all. So to suspend your connection for a while, just click on get help. So this will take you to the help page. So here at the bottom of the page you will get an icon like this. Just click on get help assistant, and here from the available options just click on the account and profile. So here you can see suspend my service. So to suspend your connection, just click on the suspend my services. So here one more option will appear, suspend complete account. Just click on it. So why do you wish to temporarily suspend your account? So it is asking us the reason, so we'll need to select the reason from this available list. So if you are going abroad, going on vacation, examination or others, so select any of this reason and just click on submit button. Here you can select the start date and end date for which period you want to keep your account suspended. So select the date from which date you want to suspend your account. So here I will select my dates and end date. So once selecting the start date and end date, just click on the submit. Within this selected date, Tata Sky's connection will stay suspended and no balance will be deducted from your account. So to proceed, just click on submit button. So here you can see your request for temporary suspension of your Tata Play account for 287 days from 20th till so and so date has been received. Your service will be resumed from so and so date. So after the end date, service will automatically resume. So like this you can suspend services on your Tata Play connection so that your balance doesn't get consumed if you are having any balance in your account. So this is how you can easily suspend Tata Sky services on your connection. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.